Hi, baby. What's wrong? Why are you so sad?
I learned the numbers from 1 to 20 at school today, but I can't seem to remember them correctly. I have them all mixed up.
Oh, baby, that's all right. I know a song about numbers that can help you learn them correctly. Come on, baby, you can play along with me. Wasn't that fun, Daisy?
I love that song. I had so much fun. Thank you so much for helping me out, Amber. Now I know my numbers correctly.
You're welcome, baby.